Can RCCB protect from high voltage? Welcome everyone. Today, we'll discuss whether an RCCB, or Residual Current Circuit Breaker, can protect against high voltage, and understand its role in electrical safety. Introduction. RCCBs are widely used in electrical systems to provide protection against earth faults and leakage currents. These devices are very effective in high voltage applications, especially in preventing electric shocks and fire hazards. However, one important point to remember is that RCCBs do not directly protect against overvoltage conditions. Function of RCCB. Let's look at the function of an RCCB. It continuously monitors the flow of current in both live and neutral wires. If there is any imbalance, meaning some current is leaking through an unintended path, the RCCB detects it. When this happens, the device trips and immediately disconnects the circuit. This quick response prevents electric shocks and reduces the risk of fire hazards. Overvoltage protection. Now, overvoltage protection is a different matter. RCCBs are not designed to handle high voltage spikes. To safeguard against overvoltage, we need devices such as surge protectors or voltage limiters. These are built to absorb or block sudden voltage surges, which an RCCB alone cannot manage. High voltage applications. In high voltage commercial and industrial systems, RCCBs are indeed used, but only for leakage current protection. They are not the primary line of defense against high voltage itself. Their role is to ensure safety by tripping during earth faults, while other devices are assigned to manage overvoltage conditions. Complementary protection. This is why RCCBs are almost always used alongside other protective devices. For example, surge protectors handle voltage spikes, and MCBs or circuit breakers manage overcurrent. Together, they create a comprehensive protection system, ensuring both people and equipment remain safe. Summary. To summarize, RCCBs are excellent at detecting and interrupting leakage currents and earth faults. But they do not provide protection against high voltage. Overvoltage requires separate protective devices such as surge protectors and voltage limiters. Therefore, RCCBs are an essential part of electrical safety, but they must be combined with other protective components for complete protection.